up. Push the clutch in. There you go. Now start letting it out. Go that way around that tree. That one. Push the clutch in. Hit starter. Yep. That's it. Hurry up. Push in the clutch. Is it? Man up, boy. Fire that thing up and park your truck. Hurry up. Push the clutch in. Let it out slowly. Give it a little gas. Oh, almost. Come on, you'll do it. Hit the key. Hurry up. All right. Little gas and let out the clutch. All right. Straighten her out. Keep her going. You're doing perfect. Hit the clutch. Push the clutch in. It stopped. You can shut the key off. Good job, dude. You just went cruising in your truck. What do you got to say to the people of the world? Pretty cool. All right. Roll your windows up. Peace.